How to fix QUMATIX login problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are trying to use QUMATIX and suddenly unable to log in, then login issues are pretty common and usually easy to fix. The first thing you'll need to make sure is to check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or try opening up another app or website to test the connection. You might also want to restart your router if needed. A weak connection can stop QUMATIX from signing you in, so make sure you have a stable internet connection and then open your QUMATIX app. Once you end up in the login page, go ahead and enter your correct email and password. If your email or username is not correct, you won't be able to log in. Sometimes the issue is just a small typing mistake, so make sure that you type in your email and password correct. If you are doing this on a PC, make sure the caps lock is turned off and your password is entered correctly and carefully. If you don't remember the password, you can tap the forgot password link in order to reset your current password. Once you reset the password, you'll be able to fix it and get access to your account easily. Also, don't forget to update your QUMATIX application. Open up Google Play Store on your Android device and in the search bar type in QUMATIX. In the search result, look for this QUMATIX trading tool application and check if there is an update button. If you see the update button, tap on it to download the latest version of the QUMATIX app. Once you have the latest version, launch the app open and try logging in again. Once you make sure to follow all of these guides, you might be able to fix your login issue. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.